How to activate Synchrony credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Synchrony credit card. So if you're new to our channel, first head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Synchrony Activate a Card. After you do that, you'll find this card activation Consumer Center by Synchrony. You can tap on that website. After you tap on that website, you will be redirected to this page. Now you can basically activate your card from here. So all you have to do is enter out your account number, then finally your 3 digits of your security code that is on the end or the back of your card, then the last 4 digits of your social security number. After you do that, you can type in your date of birth and you can tap on activate, and then your card will be activated. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.